This video will cover how to easily load rubrics into the app. First, make sure you've connected to your Dropbox account. You can do this by tapping on the plus button, go to Manage Students, and make sure you've enabled your Dropbox account there. Now, in order to edit a rubric, tap on the drop-down menu to the left of the rubric name here and select Edit Rubric. One option you have is to just tap on the column and row headers and the descriptions for the cells and just enter it manually. And if your rubric's not too big, this might not be too bad. For each cell description, you have up to 3 lines that you can add. But if you do have a complicated rubric and already have it in digital form, what you can do is go to a spreadsheet program. Here I have Google Sheets. And the way it's set up here is the first cell is going to be the rubric name. Then you're going to have the row names below. I just named it row 1, row 2, row 3. And then to the right of the name, you're going to add the column names. And then in between that is the cell descriptions. If you want multiple lines or multiple information, you need to separate it by the symbol with a pound or hashtag sign and an exclamation mark. So that's how you'll separate no title there from no hypothesis. So instead of having a return character, please make sure that you do enter those specific characters, hashtag or pound sign, and then exclamation mark. And that'll separate it into you can use up to 2 of those symbols to give you 3 different lines. All right, when that's done, and as I say, Google Sheets is the best option for this. Click on File, go down to Download As, and choose comma separated variable or values. That'll download it to your computer. The next step you do is go to Dropbox. And in Dropbox, once you've loaded up the app and connected to Dropbox, go to the Apps folder and Rubric Scorer version 2. Inside this, you'll have a bunch of folders that have already been created for you. You want to tap on the Templates folder. And you want to drag and drop the file that we downloaded from Google Sheets, the CSV file, into this Templates Dropbox folder. All right, now that that's done, I'm going to the app. And what we'll do here is to the left of the Edit Rubric name here is a drop-down menu. Select that. Select Load Template. And right now we're going to choose from Dropbox. iCloud will be an option also in the future, and I'll show you, I'll include the video to update that. But right now we're using Dropbox. Click from Dropbox. And as you can see right now, we have the example rubric there. I simply click on that. And voila, you have row 1, 2, 3. Everything we had on the example rubric there is now showing right here. All right. If you want to include comments on your rubric, tap that so you can include the comments. And now when I click back here, we have the rubric available. So that's a very simple way to include and import your rubric. If you do enter rubrics manually, you do have the option, once you've entered it manually, to come here and say save as a template, and you can give it a name, and then in future rubrics you can load that template. So it is possible to do this from within the app. But I hope you enjoy this feature if you do have rubrics already made, and you can easily put them into a spreadsheet format. All right, thank you very much. Enjoy.